How to download FiveM on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download FiveM on your PC, which is a GTA 5 RP. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to download FiveM on PC, for this you need to have the official GTA 5 game installed. Whether you have installed it from Steam or wherever else, just make sure you have the game with you. Once you make sure that you have the GTA 5 game, you want to head over to the official download link, which is fivem.net. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Just go to fivem.net. Then here you'll find this option called download client. You want to make sure to just click on this option. Then it's going to take a while to download, so I'm just going to click on start and then just go ahead and click on the open option here. Once I've read the terms and conditions, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cross this out. I'm just going to select sure I agree. Once I agree to the terms and conditions, you can see the download link for FiveM will be opened up. Click on start download, click on open, and it is going to verify whether or not you have the GTA 5 game installed on your PC. Once it's done, you can see it's updating, it's downloading and doing whatever else it needs to do. This way you can download FiveM on PC. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.